Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. It's time for another knives and multi-tool review. I know it's been a while since I've done one. Probably almost a year, to be honest. But we're taking a look at the Holtzman's Premium Utility Knife Folding Pocket Knife Combo. I got it off of Amazon right around $22. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're take a look at the Holtzman's Premium Utility Knife Folding Pocket Knife Combo. Now, they have a couple different combos you can get. I'll have a link to that down below. But it comes with a little pocket knife, your utility knife, and your regular blade with the serrated edge on the one end. This little screwdriver. Pocket clip and 2 screws. Now, if you remember correctly, I had one similar to this, but this was like a light oak, medium oak stain. This is almost like a dark oak stain. They're probably the same company, just different names on them. Does have a liner lock. Okay. Now, I'm sure the razor blade is going to be sharp right out of the box. Yeah, I mean, it's a razor blade. It's sharp. Check the other end. Actually, yeah, that's a lot sharper than the last one I got. Well, cardboard test. Not so hot. Paper test. Ooh, it's actually coming out better than what I expected. Check out this little pocket knife. Now, for 21 bucks, even 25 bucks, so far, doesn't seem all that bad. A little pair of scissors. Wonder how they cut. Don't cut too bad. Then this is like a little file. Not sharp at all. You got this little tiny blade. And that's pretty dull. That's mostly just ripping it. But then again, this was just like a little bonus. Pocket clip. Now it looks like you can only go on the one side. Right there. Yeah, you don't have holes line up on the other side. which is kind of a bad. It would be nice if they had them on both sides for left right carry. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, you get a free gift. Free gift. Let us know what you think of the product on our Facebook page, and we will send you a free gift. Might have to do that. I actually put my review of this up on their page. Let's go ahead and get this little belt clip on. I mean, I think it's nice that they actually give you the option to actually put it on or leave it off. I just wish it was ambidextrous. There we go. That belt clip's solid. It's a solid piece of work. The more I mess around with this knife, the more I actually like it. And the thumb studs don't look like they're reversible either. Now, I had the other one, I had it for a long time till I actually lost it, or I laid it down somewhere and somebody else picked it up. But the liner's locks look good. They're in real good condition. This one's about in the middle. This one's far right. So you got plenty of life in those, I guarantee you. I'm really impressed how sharp it was out of the box. Now this little screwdriver I got feeling it's going to be one-time use to put on the belt clip, then you're going to be done with it. The other version just has the razor blade on it. And it has like a little screwdriver attachment here and two little screw bits on the side. Like I said, I'll have a link to it. You can check them out down below. But with that said, now this is going to be one of those things you're going to have to use over time to see how it's going to hold up. But for the $20 price point, I'm telling you, you're not going to get wrong with this knife. So, with that, I'm going to give it a solid 5 out of 5. I'm really pleased with it. I really am. Everything's smooth. They actually took time, made sure everything lined up correctly. You don't see big gaps in it. It's actually a really good quality knife for 20 bucks. So like I said, I'll have a link down to it below. Make sure to check out the links down below. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.